Welcome to a game-changing opportunity in the world of finance. Imagine a future where banks no longer rely on outdated credit score systems. Instead, artificial intelligence takes over, making lending smarter, faster, and more efficient. This isn't just an idea, it's already happening. Today, we're diving into Upstart Holdings, UPST, a company using AI to disrupt the banking industry. The best part, this could be your chance to make serious money. If you've been looking for a stock with high potential, this might be the one. Stay with me until the end, because we're going to break down how Upstart's technology works, why it could be a major player in the financial sector, and most importantly, how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Now, let's get started. How Upstart is changing the banking industry. Traditional banks rely on credit scores to determine if someone qualifies for a loan. But credit scores don't always tell the full story. Many people with low credit scores might actually be responsible borrowers, while some with high credit scores may still struggle to pay back loans. This is where Upstart's AI-powered lending platform comes in. Instead of just looking at credit scores, Upstart's system analyzes over 1,600 different data points. It considers factors like education, employment history, spending habits, and even personal financial behavior. By using machine learning, Upstart's AI can predict a borrower's ability to repay a loan with much higher accuracy than traditional methods. This means banks can reduce risk, approve more loans, and increase their profits. Why Upstart's technology gives it an edge? Upstart's AI doesn't just help banks, it also benefits borrowers. Since the system is more accurate, many people who would normally be rejected by banks can now qualify for loans. And because the AI system reduces risk for lenders, borrowers often get lower interest rates. Another major advantage is speed. While traditional loan applications can take days or even weeks for approval, Upstart's AI can approve loans in just minutes. This is a game changer for banks, making them more competitive in today's fast-moving digital world. The company has already partnered with more than 100 banks and credit unions, and that number is growing. As more financial institutions adopt AI-powered lending, Upstart could dominate the industry. The money-making potential of Upstart stock. Upstart went public in December 2020, and its stock quickly gained attention from investors. The price has seen ups and downs, but one thing is clear, this company has massive growth potential. Investors who got in early saw huge returns, but it's not too late. As Upstart expands and improves its AI models, the company's revenue could skyrocket. And when that happens, its stock price could follow. Of course, like any stock, Upstart has risks. The company's success depends on how well its AI performs and how many banks adopt its technology. But if AI-powered lending becomes the new standard, Upstart could be one of the biggest winners in the financial sector. Should you invest in Upstart? Investing in emerging technology stocks is always a mix of high risk and high reward. Some investors hesitate because AI lending is still a new concept. But those who believe in the future of AI-driven banking see Upstart as a major opportunity. If the company continues to expand, improve its technology, and sign more partnerships, its stock could see long-term growth. But like any investment, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. What do you think? Is Upstart leading the AI banking revolution, or is it just a passing trend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're finding this video informative, don't forget to like and share. The future of AI in banking. Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries like healthcare, retail, and transportation. Banking is next. Major financial institutions are looking for ways to reduce risk, approve loans faster, and increase profits. AI-powered lending could become the industry standard, and companies like Upstart are leading the charge. If AI-driven banking becomes mainstream, Upstart stock could be a major winner. The question is, will you take advantage of this opportunity before the rest of the world catches on? Final thoughts. Upstart Holdings is a high-risk, high-reward stock with massive potential. It's one of the few companies using artificial intelligence to disrupt traditional banking. Some investors believe this stock could deliver huge returns in the coming years, while others think AI lending is still too new to be reliable. What do you think? Would you invest in Upstart, or do you see bigger opportunities elsewhere? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you believe in the power of AI-driven banking, don't forget to like this video. The AI revolution is just beginning, and Upstart could be one of the companies that lead the way. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Upstart Holdings, make sure to subscribe for more stock market insights. Stay ahead of the game, stay informed, and let's continue exploring the future of investing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.